All right. Don't have a latch for your gate. Uh, and you really can't go get one right now anyway. But what my solution is, do you have any of these? You got a couple of these, maybe a bolt. You can make you a gate or a latch. It's a little simple latch. What I did here was take a nail, figured out where I need my first one at. It's gonna be about right here. You know, you can put it anywhere you want, up and down through there. Doesn't really matter. You can put it up here at the top, but that's where these two meet. I didn't want to do that, so I dropped it down a little bit. I don't think it matters. And I just hammered the nail into a hole, or to make a hole. And now I'm going to screw this in. You're not going to see me hammering the nail in there, because I only have one hand to work with. So all you're going to see is me doing this, if I can keep the camera halfway straight. You got a few of these and a pair of pliers. I don't have electricity down here yet. Our battery operated drills are elsewhere at the moment, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go in one more round. You want it in there a good ways, and this is a 2x4, so you're not gonna go through the other side, I don't think. No, you can go through the other side. All right, now let's see how that looks. Yeah, right there. Now we need to get another one right about there. Maybe a little bit over. You want it maybe over this direction here, just a little bit. So I'm going to say that's going to be close right there. Yeah. So you want a hole right there. There we go. You might get to see me now. Yeah. You might get to see me hammer. Just hammer you a nail. Just got a little crooked because I'm doing it one-handed. But that's okay. Alright, now then, let's get this in there. This is not easy one-handed into a wet 4x4. Man! So I'm going to have to get out like this now, I think. It is, oh. Yeah, that's a tough, oh, can't see nothing, can you? Tough piece of wood right there. Getting close. Let's see what it looks like right there. That looks close. Not bad. See if our bolt goes in there. Not quite yet. Let me go in just another round, half a round maybe. Oh. Yeah. Let's try that. Man. It's that wet Lowe's lumber, I think. No, I don't know what that is. That ain't, I'm not going to blame that on Lowe's this time. There we go. Now then, you have a gate that is pretty secure, where the dog can't push up against it and open it. Had these, had this, cost $0. And of course, I mean, we'll get some latches, some proper latches whenever our COVID-19's died down, and we can get in there to take a look and see what we need, and pick out some latches in Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere, and then put on some proper latches. But in a pinch, when you can't go to the store, make you a latch. And then when you get ready to go into your garden here, just drop your bolt back in your deal. Go in your garden, look around. Do have a little bit of garden stuff going. Oh, I don't know if there's anything here. Yeah, there's one right there today. Don't know if it's gonna make it or not. Alright. There you go. There's your latch. And all you gotta do is hang on to the bolt. And over here, same way, I had 2 gates we put in. There we go. Pretty secure. Anyway, back to this. There's your gate latch where nothing can go in it. The gate latch right there where nothing can go that way. Easy, simple. Solves the problem until you can get a decent latch. Alright, I guess that's it for now.